Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This video is about Ryzen 5 3600 XT. That's a 6-core 12-thread processor and available for 25,000 rupees. So we'll be building that PC here, and let me share all the components which I'm going to use in this build, and the total price for this PC is 85,000 rupees. If you have a bit more budget, upgrade the GPU to 3070 or 2060 Super at least. So let's begin with the components and their pricing, starting with the processor. This is Ryzen 5 3600 XT, available for 24,700 rupees. The second on the list, we have got the motherboard. This is MSI B450 Tomahawk Max, available for 11,500 rupees. The next on the list, we have 1660 Super. This is from Zotac, available for 21,000 rupees. As our budget was only 85,000 rupees along with 3600 XT built, so we have selected 1660 Super from Zotac. For the power supply, we have selected here 650 bronze. Even 550 bronze will work fine, but 650 would be better if in case you put a bigger GPU in future, maybe 2070, 2060 or even 3070 will be fine with 650 bronze. For case, we are going with a decent case from Entech NX800. This is available for 7,000 rupees. It has really got a big fan in the front. It is full mesh, and also it has got side tempered, a lot of airflow. So it would be a great case if in case you want to build a PC where the airflow should be great. So this is what we are going with it. For storage, we will be going with Samsung 970 Evo Plus. This is available for 6,500. This is NVMe, and Samsung makes the best SSD. So this is what I will recommend to everyone. If in case you have no budget issue for SSD, then Samsung is what you should buy. And for more storage, we have got WD 1TB Blue. This is available for 31,000 rupees. By the way, I haven't said the power supply price. The power supply price is 4,800 rupees. For RAM, we have got G-Skill Ripjaws. This is 8x2 3200 MHz for 6,400 rupees. So all together it comes 85,000 rupees. So let's go ahead and begin the PC build, and I will show you a time-lapse build for this video. Let's begin.
Don't. Don't care. don't care. Don't care.
Alright guys, we are done with the PC build that is for 85,000 rupees using 3600 XT. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. You can also check Techmart Unbox.com for the latest price. I have shared Amazon and our website both link in the description box below. Also for a cheap keys like Windows, Office and games, you can log in cheapokeys.com. that is again a wonderful website. And yeah, if you have any questions related to this build or any other build, you can go to our website and send us a chat, or you can comment down below in this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe as it really motivates me to make some more videos. Thank you.